Today I am testing Micro Martingale Expert Advisor. Currency pair is GBPUSD and time duration is 3 months. Period is M1 and spread is 5. Now open expert properties. Initial capital is 100. Max spread is 5. Signal level is 7. Trailing is active and default lot size is 0.01 and max drawdown percentage is 2. Click OK and press the start button. Now open Graph tab to watch the progress of the expert advisor. Now analyze the report. Drawdown is 2.59% and total net profit is 52.58. I am also sharing the EA and its set files. You can find the download link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching my video. If you found these trading tips and tutorials helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Remember, successful trading awaits you. So let's navigate the markets together. Happy trading.